Hey guys, good morning everybody. The market is on. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise, guys. Okay, guys, so London session has given us 1 to 2 leisure, and we are out of the market. Okay, perfect entry. It was a very good trade. Sorry for the noise, but this is beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so we will be doing this two sessions, London session. Exact time it is 10:50. We'll be live 10:50. Okay, marking our setup, and then around 15 minutes we are done with the trades. You can see now it is almost 22, so we are done with the trades. Okay, we wait for the New York session. Sorry for the noise, my baby was making a lot of noise. Okay, but I will try my best this not to repeat, so that you guys can catch up the trades. But what we did here, let me just explain. This is what we did. This is what I did. It is a 3 minutes strategy. Okay, we are doing scalping, 3 minute strategy. So number one, you just need to identify the candle. Okay, you identify the candle. Which candle? The 3 minutes candle before the market opens. So the market opens at what time? The markets, we are focusing the market to open at 11. Okay, 11 a.m. East African time or Tanzanian time. Okay, so now this is the last candlestick. So you come here when it reaches 10:57. When this candle is completed, then we mark the high and the low. This is our range. So what we are waiting now, we are waiting for our open range breakout. So if it will happen at the top, there is a possibility that we're gonna buy, and if it happens at the bottom, there is a possibility that we're gonna sell. Okay, even though there are some circumstances which can we can see a breakout, but we can see market dropping down. I will explain that as we proceed. But this was our perfect setup, and we focus on 1-to-2 ratio. Our stop loss, this was our stop loss. Okay, this was the breakout, so stop loss should be below. Now in a 1 minute, but in a 3 minutes, stop loss should be below this candle which caused a breakout. So means this is 1-to-2 now. So our 1-to-2 should be around the here. Okay, so if that, but if you use the 1 minute time frame, that's where you get your refined entries, and you can see the trade has been very much good, amazing. Now it depends on the lot size, the capital, but it was a perfect setup, even though we did not catch it very early because of the noise which was happening on the background. Okay, so now here what should we do? So what we should do here, I think okay, let's see if we're gonna see another breakout here. Then we have another, this is another level whereby we can watch it out. Okay, that's another level we can watch it out. Maybe price might reverse from there, but it was a very nice setup, guys. Very nice setup. So we don't spend a lot of time here. We just need to spend 15 minutes. You are done, because this is a scalping strategy. You don't need a lot. Okay, you don't need a lot of time consuming. So this is what I've been doing, and this is what we'll be doing for 2026. So guys, 2026 we are going live 2 sessions. New York session, which will be around 9:30 EST, but for the East African time it is 5:30. That's when we will be live trading. Okay, and again the London session, which is the morning session. So but the New York session, we will have 2 sessions. We will not be trading on Friday, just will be trading Monday to Thursday. That's when we'll be trading. Friday we don't trade, unless maybe until further notice. But for Thursday to Monday, that will be our trading days. Okay, that will be our trading days. So I was trying to explain you the setups, how I do my setups. Okay, identify the candle. Yes, we did identify the candle, which it was the 3 minutes candle. Okay, let me do this. It was a 3 minutes candle, and then mark the 3 minutes high and low, and that's what we did. We marked the high. This was the high, and this was the low. So we which gave us a range, and then draw a 20 pips horizontal line for high and low. Why do we do this? This is an indicator. It's like an indicator that if price will break out above our range 20 pips, that means it's an indicator price will still go up. And this is what happened. This is what happened. This is what happened. This was our 20 minutes range. This was our 20 minutes range. We saw price come and take this. Okay, we break by the body. It should be broken by the body. And then what happened? We saw price came back and the retest. Okay, and then boom, we took our sales, and that's what happens. Okay, so you draw on the high side above the range and below the range, and also this line here, this horizontal, is our 20 pips from what? For our range. Okay, now price tend to respect these 20 pips. According to my experience, price tend to respect these 20 pips. Respect it a lot. And I'm telling you, price will come down, and price will come down. Okay, price is going to come down to where? To our 20 pips, number one, or it can come down to our below range 20 pips, which is this one here. So I'm going to take another buy from this point here, going up. And you can see this is an impulsive movement, which this was our high, our low, and this candle has taken already liquidity. So what do you expect? Price will just come down, okay, dropping down to where we started, to where we started, and then we will proceed going up. So then you identify all the key levels, like what I did here. I was identifying the key levels to where the price is going. Okay, to where the price is going. So you do that in 3 minutes. Also you do that, you identify them in 1 minute, and then you wait for a 1 minute breakout. Okay, which you have to compare it also with a 3 minutes breakout, because sometimes a 1 minute breakout might be a fake breakout. So you have to compare it. You have to see it also on your 3 minutes. Very important to do that. You have to see it also on your 3 minutes. Okay, then you identify if it's a little breakout, and then identify all previous potential areas in 1 minute, and then you make some profits. So guys, we are out. Thank you so much. See you next time.